Yesterday, Apple announced iOS 18, and that brings in some changes to the Settings app, where one of them is that some settings have been moved around. This video will help you find where some of the big settings have been moved to. So let's get started with this video. The first settings that have been moved is the app settings. So this used to be in a section where it says apps now, and Apple has moved it to this new apps page, which is accessible by tapping on the apps button. In the apps page, you will see all your apps are alphabetically categorized, and you have a search bar which you can use to search for applications. Other than that, I didn't notice any changes in the app settings themselves. The second thing I noticed was that the settings in the main page, some of them have been reorganized, so they have been moved in different sections. The battery setting has been moved up under cellular. The camera has been also moved up under accessibility and now has a new setting icon. Siri and wallpaper have been rearranged, and the Face ID, emergency SOS, privacy and security settings have been moved down to a new section. The third setting I noticed that was moved was the TV provider settings. So this used to be in the main page, but now it has been moved to general and TV provider. The fourth setting that I noticed that has been moved is the passwords option, which is now renamed to autofill and passwords. This only contains minor settings since Apple wants people to use their new passwords app. So this is only settings for autofill and passwords, and that has been moved to general. So hopefully this video was helpful, and be noted that these settings may change in future iOS 18 developer betas, but in the beta 1, these are how these settings currently look. So if this video was helpful, please like this video, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you.